name is Jeff, maintenance technician here with Lewis Communities. We're going to run you through a couple common issues that we have with the dishwasher. One of our most common issues that we do have is we have water coming out of the air gap. What that is a good indication that we have a little bit of food built up inside the drain line, and you're going to want to call the office to have one of our technicians come out, clear the line for you, and then we'll have everything running back to normal. That is not normal to see the water coming out. That's just a backup solution so we don't flood anything underneath. Another common issue that we have with the dishwasher is flooding out, and this kind of leads to what we're wanting to put in the dishwasher and what we're not wanting to put in the dishwasher. So in the dishwasher, we want to use dishwashing detergent, not dishwashing soap. We want to make sure that we're putting the detergent in there, but detergent breaks down differently than the dishwashing soap. Dishwashing soap will leave your entire kitchen flooded with soap suds. It's a mess. We don't want to do that. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're using the dishwashing detergent. Doesn't matter which brand we're using, we just want to make sure that it's dishwashing detergent. This has been another video with the Lewis Communities. We just want to make sure you guys are, knowing everything you need to know. These are videos to give you guys kind of a little bit of a helpful hint on what's going on in your guys' units and to keep our appliances running normally. If you have any questions, always give the office a call. We'll be more than willing to help. Other than that, have a good day.